Hello, my name is Megan Madrusik. I'm with the University of Illinois Extension, and today we're making cranberry mustard dip.
You will need 1.5 cups of cranberry sauce, about one 14-ounce can, 1/2 cup of Dijon mustard or mustard of choice, a half of a small onion, diced, 2 tablespoons of honey, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of table salt. Preparation: wash hands with soap and water. Put all of the ingredients in a blender or food processor. And blend until smooth.
And here's the cranberry mustard dip. Use as a dip with pretzels, veggies, or cocktail wieners, or use it as a sauce for chicken or pork.
Eat, move, save.